Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Halloween. It is Alex with Master Odor Removal. We're servicing this beautiful XTS 350T Cadillac for level 4 tobacco. On a scale of 1 to 5, this is a 4. Very, very strong. We're going to go ahead and service the complete headliner, all the interior elements, the seats, the carpeting, the seat belts. The rubber seals around all of the doors. That's what I'm trying to show you here on both sides of all the doors. And then we're going to go ahead and service the AC like we always do to make sure it smells fresh and clean. Let's smell it together. All right. I will turn the AC up. And yeah, whoa. The AC is a level 5. That is really, really strong. So we'll let them know to change the filter. That's basically it. Another luxury vehicle, another odor service, any make, any model. Give us a call. Tobacco, marijuana, pet odors, food spills, musty odors. We're here to help. Give you a shot of this beautiful blue, which I've never seen before. That's it. All right. We look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.